Dear businessman, today very opportunity, it means a golden opportunity for you. What is that? I am providing you 4 point success formula. This formula ensures you 100% success. Okay? Whenever you find any problem, any challenges in your business, are you facing challenges? I know it, but I appreciate your efforts and investment in the business. But despite of the sincere and best efforts, you are not getting the results accordingly, or you are feeling somewhat victimized, miserable, pitiable. It might be, or it might not be, but I give you a 4 point formula, that is 100% success formula, that will provide you success in 90 days. Okay, are you ready to listen my words? Okay, then please listen me. That 4 point formula will provide you 100% success. Okay, this formula will give you four things only. First, I say that if you like to increase your performance and your profit in your business or your business value volume only by 10 to 20%, okay, then put sincere efforts, more efforts, and change your attitude, make your attitude positive. Okay, you will get the results. Okay, if you like to change and increase only 10 to 20%, but this is not encouraging for you. Okay, so I will provide you 50 times change in your income, 100 times increase your income. Then you need shift of paradigm. Okay, so the paradigm shift is so indispensable for you for making your business volume 50 times more or 100 times more. All people who are having very booming business, okay, they will shift their paradigm, then they will increase their business volume by 10,000 times. They will increase their income and profit 10,000 times. Okay, would you like to listen this? Okay, now I tell you there are 4 points. Everybody has what? Four things. First is mind, okay, second is body, and third is emotion, and fourth is conscious. Okay, all people, all businessmen are having in their body four parts. Okay, similarly, in your business organization, there are four parts. Okay, when you think and make a blueprint about your business, then it is known as mind, or in a better way, we tell it vision. Okay, what is vision? Vision important. Vision important. I will illustrate with certain examples the vision. What is the vision? Vision means making a blueprint of your business organization. Okay, now you play a leadership role in your business. Okay, whenever there is any lacuna on the part of leadership, I say the business will be completely demolished, and even the best and effective management will not compensate. People are saying and giving many tricks and many techniques about the management, but management is not in position to compensate the lacuna, deficiency, and the error made by leadership. Okay, so I will make you the best leader of your business organization, and when you are the best leader, effective leader, then you make a blueprint of your what? That is known as blueprint, and sometimes that is known as mission statement for your business organization. Okay, you can visualize. I will give you technique of vision. Vision is the first step of my 4 point formula. Okay, vision provides you blueprint for your business organization. If you don't have blueprint or vision for your business organization, it means your business will perish. Your business will totally failed. No management technique, no management skillful actions will compensate. Okay, so this is the first and foremost lesson and learning to you given by me after my 40 years of experience of administration and managerial activities. Okay, I had been working as an officer in government sector. Okay, similarly I have been also working as a CEO and chairman in two private and public companies. About me, Managing Director Anjali ma'am will give you the details. Okay?
ठीक है. Hi, DD sir is CEO of Team 360 Global Abundance Limited. He is also honorary CEO and chairman of 360 Degree Change Transformation Private Limited for 13 years. He is an author of the books Change Our Mindset and Become Millionaire, and also author 11 inspiration and skill developing books. He has a charismatic personality. He has given talk to more than 1,000 businessmen. He is also completed 54th episode on Bhagavad Gita to make Bhagavad Gita an effective teaching tool for a common man. In addition to this, he has facilitated with the Gold Star Award at Daytona Beach, USA for enhancing human potential. Last but not least, he had been working as senior officer in state government for more than 32 years on different dusty-filled positions. He has also been working on the project of 700 days for completing 700 shloka discourse on Bhagavad Gita, suitably coupled with 7 habits of highly effective people. It is worth mentioning that he has been a trainer of 7 habits of highly effective people. I hereby requested DD sir to kindly carry on his discourse.
Business organization, how many people should work in my organization, what are the different departments of organization, how much profit I should earn through my business, and what are the technologies I would use. So each and everything you keep in your mind and then write on a paper. Okay, and then making your paper in a beautiful way, typed it, and in a colored form you make it. So it is known as blueprint. When you have made a blueprint means you have made first creation, because everything in this universe has two creations. First level creation is mental creation and second level is physical creation. So you have made first creation. Okay, otherwise if you have not put such efforts to make blueprint, then there is a scripting of your blueprint by the past events or other people's agenda or circumstances. But if you are having your own vision, own blueprint, then you can stick on your journey about your destination, because the destination will be decided by your blueprint. Okay, when you have a big yes, I have a blueprint for my business, then you can say no to the less important things. Okay, if your friend comes to you and say we should go to Kumbh, you say no, I have no time, because I have blueprint, I have destination, I have a big yes for my blueprint, for my business organization. Then you will have a capacity to say no. Otherwise, your friend will influence you and you will go with him to enjoy many things, many places. Okay? So, vision is important. This is the first part of my formula, and I will tell you in detail. But the detail will be told on later on in next video. Okay, now the second thing is this. When you have made your blueprint, okay, then there is no problem at the level of leadership, because you have learned the leadership and you are playing the role of leader in your business. Okay, now what is the needed thing? Needed thing is that physical actions, strategies, disciplined actions, okay, that are also needed. So you make an action plan. Okay, you make an action plan even for a year, okay, not for 3 years, for a year, and then one by one, okay, step by step, you take the actions, and by these actions, one by one, you will achieve, because the journey of 100 miles will be covered by one step towards one step. Okay, so you take steps to make. One thing important at this level, I would, there are many things, but if you do one activity every day, and that will miraculously transform your business. You identify such one activity, okay, and you do that activity every day. Every day, I decided many such activities, and I do every day. That is why I have been successfully working as a CEO and chairman of 2 companies. Okay, there are many challenges, but when you have blueprint with you, and when you have action plan, and when you have mentality to take actions and habit of taking action every day, then there would be no challenge against you. You will win over all challenges. This is the second step of my formula. And then third is very important. You take the decisions, collective decisions in your organization, but take decisions happily, enthusiastically, okay, with encouragement. First you feel yourself happy, then you talk with your team and take a collective decision. So collective decision with enthusiasm, with happiness is my third step. Okay, then fourth is very important. Fourth is very important. That is, be conscious driven. Conscious means you should live by principles. Okay, you should live by conscious, by your soul. Your soul should control you and your organization. Okay, you go with principles. Okay, here I help you 2 ways. First, I will provide you healing, divine healing, and also I will provide you divine blessings. Lord Krishna gave in Bhagavad Gita first affirmation. Affirmation means you are a great, Arjun, you are a very great man. You are Parantap, you are Gudakesh, you, many good adjectives have been addressed for Arjun. So, affirming his qualities, and then inspired him. And then after that, Divyam Dadami Te Chaksu Pasyame Mev Parameswaram. Then he gave what is divine blessings and divine healing. That's why Arjun got the inspiration and stood up for fighting in battle. Okay, similarly, I will provide you divine healing and divine blessings, so you will be capable to fight and to work against any challenge. You will win any challenge in your business. Okay, now I take workshops. You can attend my workshop and can get benefit of my 4-point formula. Okay, mobile numbers are given on screen. You contact and attend my workshop. Thank you very much.